Salam, namaste, sat sri akal. Hello everybody, hello India. Today is a very beautiful day, big day for me. I'm going to test ride three different models. First is Kawasaki Versys 1000, second is Tiger 900, and third one is Honda Africa Twin. I have to decide which one I have to buy. The decision is purely based on the specifications and prices. So let me go and check, and then I'll come back to you. See you. This is Triumph Tiger 900 GT. Triumph has launched the Tiger 900 in three variants: GT, Rally, and Rally Pro. The middleweight bike has inline three-cylinder engine displacing 888cc with plenty of electronic aids. Although with little higher price, Triumph have once again produced a class leader in the highly competitive middleweight adventure bike category. The Tiger 900 GT and Rally are two very different machines. If you know you will stick to the street for 90% of the time with a few off-road trips here and there, go with the GT. It's an excellent sport touring adventure bike. But if you really want to challenge yourself off-road, then the Rally and Rally Pro is the choice. Kawasaki Versys 1000 2020. The Japanese manufacturer has launched this new variation recently as a game changer in this segment. This is an adventure tourer with a lot of new and improved technology. The bike is good looking, you are sure to get glances on road. It has upright, relaxed and comfortable seating. The high frame is good for taller people, can be little challenging for short stature people. However, this is nothing which can't be overcome. With 1043cc engine, it generates 116.5 bhp of power and weighs around 255 kgs with good ground clearance of 150 mm. This is a beast on road. The electronics are very good, but for people who are not so technically savvy, it can be little intimidating. I'm quite impressed with this bike for looks, value for money and outstanding performance. This is Kawasaki Versys 650 and it's a middleweight motorcycle. 649cc 4-stroke parallel twin engine. Power is 68 bhp. It has adjustable windscreen and the massive 21-liter fuel tank which is a boon while touring. The updated 2020 Honda Africa Twin is good, both on and off-road. With unique color and design, this bike is attention seeker. Currently available in two different variants, manual and DCT. It has excellent 1084cc engine which displaces 101.9 bhp power. This Honda Beast comes with a wide range of electronic goodies. It promises more power, less weight, better suspension performance and more tech from its competitors in this segment, and it delivers the promise. So all these three bikes are very good in terms of their own specifications. Kawasaki Versys 1000 is a very good on-road bike. A bit difficult for the off-road because of the spoke wheels. Otherwise, it is a very marvelous bike for the highway riding, long distance riding. The seat is very good. The cushioning is marvelous on this bike, and you feel very comfortable while you ride. Triumph Tiger 900. It's a fantastic bike for the off-road, on-road, both. I have driven the GT and I feel the driving pleasure much on this bike. It's a fantastic bike. And the only concern which I feel about this bike is that the price is a bit expensive for a 900cc bike. Otherwise, this bike can be considered. Now about the Africa Twin, it's a marvelous bike. The DCT especially is a dual clutch transmission bike, which means that you don't have to worry about the gear. On the heavy traffic, it will handle perfectly all right. On the off-road, on-road, both it handles perfectly all right. But I'm a bit concerned about the visor, the windscreen. It's a bit taller, a bit higher, but you will get used to it. Africa Twin is again same expensive like Tiger 900, but it depends from person to person and their personal choices. If I have to buy such an expensive bike, then I would prefer to try a few more bikes before I make my final decision and buy such an expensive bike. So these are the reviews of 3 bikes. I hope you'll like them. I will test ride few more bikes and I hope to present some more reviews in front of you. Until then, ride, travel and be fit. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.